Now I just need to revive my team, and hopefully we can get something going.
Let's see.
We got a gore hit. Okay, I got my one character up. Well, now it's just a matter of letting it rip. There's not much else I can do.
Let's see what you got.
Okay, they survived. I mean, that went horribly, but we also got it through since we actually hit it with the ability to do damage. I think, if any, no, I will not. I think that's a pretty good example of why we needed the gimmick items to fight this boss. Because even without the, I mean, yeah, no, fighting this thing without the gimmick items is legitimately just going to be the worst. It can easily stun lock you like it did several times and all that. It's very fun.
What do you think?
So you've managed to seal it.
What is that?
It's like a baby discordance.
A baby? What are you going to do with it?
I will fly out and simply dispose of it outside this world.
But...
If you do that, Cece, you're really hurt too.
Are you worried for me?
At least let us patch you up.
I don't have time for that. Assuming we never meet again, I'd like to thank you for bringing me back. Thank you, Machiru. That reminds me. This is for you.
Huh? For me?
Yes. It's in your best interest to keep it close. That is what I wished for when I lost my memory. Please consider this as another option. Now that I've recovered my memories, I believe this is the only way to save the world. I have an old friend that's quite the straight-laced fellow. If you meet him, he'll show you the way, as long as you have used the Oracle's power. You may be able to bring about a different outcome.
Huh? What do you mean?
Huh?
Nachi, Yuri, Periko's gonna go with Auntie.
What? Why? What are you talking about?
Periko has to go. Granny said make my own decisions. Bye-bye. Nachi, Yuri, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey.